Australian Kindred Shed, folks, and today's task we're going to replace the dash speakers on a 79 series Landcruiser. They're the same dash speakers that we've used in the past on the 200 series. You're familiar with the Pioneers. I think they're a pretty good speaker for the price. This is a pretty easy task doing the 79 series. So let's not muck around, let's just get stuck into it. Should be a quick one and we'll knock it over. So if you like what we're doing, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll keep bringing you plenty of these videos. So first of all, we'll locate the speaker cover. The speaker cover just here, 10mm nut just here. We'll clip the cover off. Let's get into it. We'll show you how to do that. So we'll undo this nut. And just remember, this is exactly the same on the opposite side. We'll just pop the screwdriver in here. So just grab this under here. And this pops out like so. It gives us access to the speaker. It's a 4-inch speaker, unlike the 200 series. We've got a couple more 10mm spanners needed here. We'll just quickly rip this out. The speaker should just pop out. So we've got this little plug here. We'll rip this plug out and remove the speaker. So this is the old speaker. It's paper thin. We'll get the new speaker out and we'll compare them. As I said, these are the same ones we put in the 200 series. So this is the new one. This is the old speaker. As you can see, it's paper thin, it's not very heavy, it's not very good quality. This will be the new speaker we're putting in. A much better quality, as you can see, much heavier speaker. And we'll move over to the car again and we'll go about attaching the speaker. And so we'll just cut this plug off. There we go. We'll strip this wire. We'll start the soldering iron up. This process is tinning the wire. So we managed to get the wire attached. We'll go about heating this up, getting the solder to stick to it. We'll attempt to do the other side now. Just get a bit of heat in there. And that should be enough. So that one tab I completely ripped off. Comes off with a set of 10 snips or just side cutters, if you've got an old pair of side cutters. And there we have it.
Lower on dried, I'm out of love, but I still got drive. I feel like a fool, but it's all I can do.
And now it's just a matter of clipping the dash pieces back together. we'll whack this dash screw back in.
Leaning on Uncle Sam.
Well, that's it. That's the job finished. That's 4-inch dash speakers into the 79 Cruiser on the dash there. Simple, easy job. We hope there's enough info there so you can get into it and do it yourself. Save yourself a bit of money. So don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep making this content for you and hopefully making your life a little bit easier and cheaper. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.